What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, and we are here with another Shiba Inu update, y'all. Whale transactions are up 56% right now, so we got to connect a few dots and, just get into why this is taking place. So salute to everybody for pulling up on the channel. Whales are going all in on Shiba Inu as they've been on an accumulation spree since January 2023. The purchase comes after the SHIB team confirmed that the Shibarium Layer 2's public testnet could be released anytime soon. So we basically are 2 weeks away from the release of Shibarium. Now, some people may wait to the last minute, and that's when we start, to see possibly, that FOMO kick in and the price really start to drive up. But I want y'all to be prepared before it actually takes place. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always be wise when it comes. I know this is an exciting time. Shibarium about to drop, take place, and you may want to knock it out the park and hit a home run, but you want a dollar cost average. Don't go just betting everything on it right now, because we may see one of those buy the rumor, sell the news situations take place, where if we get a date that's released, we'll see the price running up until the release of Shibarium. And some people who are in profit will sell to lock in some of those gains. And if they just surprise us with the release on the 14th without giving us an official date, we had to kind of pull this date out of context clues, to kind of assume what the release date would be. But without this information, you just want to be ready, y'all. Just be ready, because I don't want y'all to basically not understand truly that just because Shibarium is coming does not mean the price will hold at that level. Yes, I'm bullish, but some people, after they see those gains, they will take them off the table. So for some of you longer term investors, you got to understand that you could see a pullback. So if you wanted to have a separate bag where you said, okay, I got this bag and another bag that I could take some profits from, that might not be a bad idea. So according to data from Into the Block, on an on-chain analytics firm, whale purchase and Shiba Inu have spiked 56%. This week alone, around 67 whale purchases were recorded on Etherscan, suggesting that whales are showing interest in SHIB. So Shiba Inu had a phenomenal start in 2023 after spiking nearly 45% in January. The dog-themed token deleted a zero in the indices and is now looking to scale up with the Shibarium beta launch. However, a tentative release date for Shibarium public beta testnet is yet to be revealed by the team. Nonetheless, its ecosystem token Bone jumped nearly 50% in the last 30 days due to the beta release news. Now, obviously, this is a very, very bullish time, but we have to just be realistic with the situation. It could take some time for, us to see some of these burns take place, that's actually going to, lower the Shiba Inu supply, and that can get people excited where, that rally starts to kick in, where people are, hyped up. Now, let's say they release Shibarium and we get some type of ridiculous burn percentage. Like, let's say they let us know that we get a 10, to 50% burn rate, on every transaction. You know how bullish that would be? That would create that type of hype and excitement where, that could bring, some momentum into Shiba Inu. But if it's something like kind of mediocre, it's not going to just take off right away. That's what I want y'all to understand. So, Bone will be used as a gas fee in Shibarium, and the token plays an important part in the layer 2 solution. The token gets the maximum use case in the ecosystem and is now among the most sought after cryptocurrencies for this reason. You also may want to have some Bone in your portfolios. Now, financial advice can't tell you what to do. Do some due diligence on Bone token so you can see its importance. You can understand its position in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and why, if you believe in Shiba Inu, you may want to have a little Bone token as well. So Shibarium has doubled in price 3 times in 2022 after news about the beta launch started during the rounds last year. You can read more about, I don't know what this means, right? I don't know how they said Shibarium. Shibarium has doubled in price 3 times until, I think they possibly mean Bone, not Shibarium. So Bone has doubled in price 3 times in 2022 after news about the beta launch started during the rounds last year. So Shiba Inu tails and whales. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's most unique selling point as the cryptocurrency will boast its layer 2 blockchain. Whales know the importance of the L2 network and believe that it could sustainably scale SHIB's price in the indices. The more transactions that are initiated on Shiba Inu, the more burns would occur. This being also confirmed the team. In turn, this would only help SHIB's price and also reduce the circulating supply simultaneously. So right now, SHIB at that 1175 level. Let's take a look at the overall market. Bullish day today, up 2% right now. Overall market cap sitting at 1.06% right now. We're teetering in between. The market is kind of indecisive, not sure yet if it wants to really take off, or if it kind of wants to pull back some more, with all the recession, interest rates, inflation, with all that taking place right now. But I'm bullish nonetheless over the longer period of time. I am an investor, but I also do trade also. So I got a mixed strategy where I'm taking some profits here, also got some bags for the long term. So right now we got the market up 2.13%, Bitcoin at 23,000, Ethereum at 1593, BNB just absolutely just doing its thing right now at $312, XRP at 40 cents. We got Cardano at 39 cents, Doge still at 9 cents right now, but up 10% on the day. Nice, Doge looking good. Matic 112, Solana $24. Anything you've been investing in while the market was down is technically looking good right now. This is why you want a dollar cost average. Do not be afraid of those times when the markets are red. It's the best thing you can do. Take that loosely, but one of the best things you can do is invest when the market is red, because once it turns around, you're automatically in profit. If you invest when everything is green, it's less room for it to go up. So keep that in mind. Shiba Inu right now at that 1187 level, up 4% right now, so looking good. We're at a $6.5 billion market cap. We are at number 14th place by market cap overall, so it's looking good right now. Things are taking place slow for those that are looking for things to just skyrocket right away. Unfortunately, we're not in those types of times. Once the market or once the Fed starts pumping money back into the economy and we're starting to see people receive a lot of funds back in their pockets, that's when investors will have more dry capital to start investing some of that retail money back, which will also attract more of that institutional money. So just be patient. Times are going to be good. I think 2023, we got some surprises in store for us. So just stay down for the come up. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate